It's time for Would You Rather, funny edition. Would you rather have spaghetti hair or bacon hair? Would you rather sneeze like a trumpet or laugh like a car alarm? Would you rather walk around in clown shoes everywhere or wear a cape everywhere? Would you rather only walk backwards or only run everywhere? Would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn? Would you rather be followed by a duck everywhere or follow a duck everywhere? Would you rather have noodle arms or noodle legs? Would you rather turn into a cat or a dog? Like and subscribe because